Hey, welcome back everybody to another episode of Bill Hanna Baking. This week I'm going to show you how to make my famous Nanaimo bars. Nanaimo bars are truly a Canadian treat, getting their name from Nanaimo, British Columbia. They're sweet, they're patriotic, they're pretty to look at, and they're really easy to make. Follow along and you'll be able to make your own. Let's get started. I personally like to make my bottom layer twice as thick as the other layers. You can adjust your layers as you wish. You can make them even, you can pick the ones that you like the most and double up on those, whatever you want. So if you want to make your layers even, just half my bottom layer recipe that I talk about and I use. You're going to need 2 cups of graham wafer crumbs, 1 cup of shredded coconut, you can use the short or the medium size, half a cup of butter, half a cup of fine sugar or icing sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, and 1 beaten egg. Put your wafer crumbs and coconut to the side, then grab a small pot and you're just going to warm up the butter, the sugar, and the cocoa together, just on low heat. Get this mixture to a point where everything is amalgamated together in a liquid. Take that off the stove and then stir in the 1 beaten egg. Once that's mixed well together, pour in the syrup over the wafer crumbs and the shredded coconut, and then simply just mix until they're well mixed together. Cover an 8x8 pan with aluminum foil. The aluminum foil is just there to be able to remove the Nanaimo bars easily out of the pan. Now just press in your mix into the bottom of the pan. The trick I use is to just grab some wax paper, cover the mixture, and then use another pan of the same size to press it in. This will allow you to have an even flat surface on top. Now cool the bottom layer in the fridge while you work on your middle layer. For the middle layer, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's melted, 2 to 3 cups of fine sugar or icing sugar, 2 heaping tablespoons of custard powder, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Mix all these ingredients together. Now, I said 2 to 3 cups of fine sugar simply because you want to be able to control your consistency of the middle layer. You'll see my consistency is a bit stiffer than a warmed up Play-Doh. And I use the icing sugar to be able to control that texture. Now just press this mixture on top of the bottom layer. Finally, the chocolate layer is all that's left. Before we get into it, hit the like and subscribe button, like these bars are going to hit your taste buds. Leave a comment below too, it'll help rank the video and get the Nanaimo bars working towards everyone's waistlines. You're going to need 150 grams of sweetened chocolate, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and sea salt for a topping to taste. Sea salt is like a magic ingredient whenever it comes to sweet chocolatey things. It just adds such an incredible taste to the dessert. For the chocolate, you can use semi-sweet chocolate or baking chocolate. I personally use the Chippets chocolate chips. They normally come in yellow packaging. Use a microwave-safe container to melt down your butter and chocolate in the microwave. Depending on your microwave, this could take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. Add in a tablespoon of milk or heavy cream and mix vigorously. Once they're mixed together, just pour over the middle layer and flatten it out. And finally, add some coarse sea salt to the top. And that's it, you're done. Now this does have to go in the fridge for at least about an hour or so. and when you take it out you can cut it into however big squares you want. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and making some delicious Nanaimo bars. If you like these recipes, check out some other desserts I have on my channel. There's some really good stuff on there and it's not difficult to make. Follow along the videos and you'll be able to make your own delicious desserts too. See you when I see ya.